over the dice and about the pack of playing cards. More things that we people have discussed. But before that, once I'm going to revise that particular slide, probability slide. This is one of the most important concept, as I said, guys. Once let us see the flow charts of all the points, what I have discussed so far. So we know that the sample space means the possible outcomes when we do any experiment. When we have an experiment, you will get some outcomes. When we use the coin, the possible outcomes are 2 power n. N represents the number of coins. If I'm taking dice, 6 power n are the possible outcomes. 6 power n. N represents the number of dice. If I'm taking one die, 1 to 6 are the numbers. 2 dice, 36 combinations are there, as I have shown here. But out of these guys, the pack of playing cards takes an important role. Total 52 cards are there, out of which red, black, 26, 26 each. And out of the red, we can have diamond and heart shape, 13, 13. Club and spade are of black cards. From each suit, 13 suit cards, king, queen, jack and ace are fixed. And the rest of the cards are 2 to 10. They are the numbers. And here, only 3 face cards are there. Face cards. If you are observing, 3 face cards are there. What are the face cards here? King, queen, jack. Ace is not the face card. So the total number of face cards are 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. In each suit, we have 3 face cards. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means the total 12 face cards are there. The number of non-face cards are 52 minus 12. I'll get total 40, right? And even I have discussed the event also. It is a subset. I mean something less or equal to the sample space. And even I have discussed with the cardinal number, which acting as a counting machine, which counts the given numbers in the set, and the given that will give the result. And at last, that we people have discussed with the probability definition. It is the number of favorable cases divided by the total number of exhaustive cases. That means total number of possible outcomes.
Sir, that means
So
E is representing the favorable outcomes, sir.
E is an event. Event means which is something less for me. Suppose if you are doing one experiment, suppose if you are taking the coin, if you are tossing a coin, suppose what we require, find the probability of getting a head. Getting a head is nothing but E. Tossing a coin is nothing but the sample space.
Okay.
Tossing a coin will give 2 outcomes. Getting a head will get only 1 outcome. What we require, getting a head. Getting a head is a favorable case. Tosses of a coin is the exhaustive case. When we are tossing a coin, you will get the total number of outcomes are 2. It is existing case. Existing means the total outcomes in the given sample space.
It represents the favorable cases and the less are equal to the sample space.
Yes, favorable cases are sometimes less than or equal to the sample space. What you said, it is absolutely correct. So I'll show one example related to this concept. Let us see, guys. When we have the question like this, find the probability of getting a head when we tosses of one coin. Also find the probability of getting a tail. Tossing a coin is tossing a coin is an experiment, and the sample space which contains, if I'm observing the sample space which has that head, comma, T. Okay. So what is the probability of getting a head? Getting a head I am taking, that's we can take probability of getting a head, that's I can take P of H. How many heads are there? 1 out of the 2 heads. Similarly, probability of getting a tail, how many tails are there? Only 1 tail out of the 2 outcomes. So both are getting what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. If I'm adding these two, you will get 1 because the total probability of the distribution is equal to 1. The total probability of the distribution is equal to 1. That is important, guys. If I'm adding both success and failure in one particular experiment, I'll get the total probability of the distribution is equal to 1. We'll go for the next question, next problem. Hope we can understand the next question. Problem number 2. Suppose if I'm throwing a die, if I'm throwing a die, what are the possible outcomes? The number of possible outcomes are 6, from
Yes,
which
sir.
is asking the following. Let's observe the given question carefully and try to give the correct answer. Yes, Kiran Kumar. Who is that? Kiran Kumar?
Sir, Sunidhi, sir.
Yes?
Sir, Sunidhi, sir.
Purvi. Okay, very good. Have you completed?
Yes, sir. First, 1
Okay.
by 3 and 2 by 3.
1 by 3 and
2 by 3, sir.
2 by 3. Rohan?
Sir, first one is 1 by 3, sir.
Okay.
Second one 2 by 3, sir.
2 by 3. Okay. Let's again go for the solution. When I'm tossing a coin, the possible outcomes are, tosses of a dice, throwing a die. The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I'm taking n of s, the total number of possibilities are 6. First point, what is asking? What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? So E1 be an event which is greater than 4. That means we can have just 5 and 6. So n bracket E1 is equal to only 2. So probability of number greater than 4 is equal to n bracket E1 only 5 and 6 divided by n bracket S. N bracket E1 means it is 2 divided by 6. Your answer is 1 divided by 3. First point, what you said, it is absolutely correct. I can go for the second point. Second point, what he has given, what is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? So E2 be an event of getting a number which is less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means I can take 1, 2, 3, 4. What you said, it is absolutely correct. So if I'm taking the cardinal number, that means just we can count it. The number of elements are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now probability of getting an event E2 is equal to n bracket E2 divided by n bracket S. As I said, it is 4 divided by 6. Your answer is 2 divided by 3. It is absolutely correct. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 is correct. Sir, when I'm adding these two, can I get 1? Yes, you can get 1 because all the numbers that we people have included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total probability that we people have completed. I'll go for the next example so that we can have this type of questions also. Let's try to discuss even this type of questions. Yeah, so we can have another question. One box is there, that box containing three blue, white, two, and four red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from the box, find the probability of getting white, blue, red. It's also same as the previous question.
Done. Sir, done,
Yeah,
sir.
so just 1 minute. Ritvik and Rohan, just 1 minute. Yes, Ritvik, what is the answer for white?
White is 2 by 9, sir.
White is 2 divided by 9. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2. 2 by 9. Vikram, is it the correct answer? White? 2 by 9. Vikram? Okay. What about the second point? What is the probability of getting blue, Vikram? Vikram? 1 divided by 3. Rohan, is it the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Just Rian, what is the probability of getting a red?
4 by 9.
4 divided by 9. Purvi, is it the correct answer? Yes, please. Is it the correct answer? 4 divided by 9.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So first, what we are going to do, first, how many marbles are there in a box? A box contains total number of marbles are 9, as you said. This is the sample space. N of S is equal to total or 9 that we people have distributed as 3 parts. So first one is 3 blue marbles. Next, 2 white marbles. Next, 4 red marbles. According to the given question, probability of getting white is equal to N of E divided by N of S. How many white marbles are there? 2 divided by total marbles 9. Probability of getting blue marbles is equal to the total number of blue marbles are 9. Sorry, blue marbles are 3, total are 9. 3 by 9 means 1 divided by 3. Probability of getting a red marble, so number of red marbles are 4 divided by 9 is the required answer. Very good, guys. Good attempt. Good work, all of you. Even we people are perfect in this type of questions also. So let's moving to the chord problems also. Chord problems. I can have few of the questions from chord. In competitive examinations, this concept will create little bit confusion for us guys because we don't have any boundary for this topic probability. Any types of questions will be included in this topic. One card is drawn from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability. An ace, 2 of the spades, 10 of the black suit. First, read the question carefully. An ace, spade, and then black. Yes, you can. First answer is it Purvi Kiran Kumar? Purvi. First point. Answer to the first point.
Sir, 4 by 52.
4 by 62. Can we 52? 4 by
52, sir.
52. Yeah, sir. Can we cancel it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
1 by 13. 1 by
1
13.
by 13 is the correct answer. Very good. First point, the total number of ace cards as you observe the flow chart. 4 ace cards are there out of the 52. 4 by 52 means, as you said, 1 divided by 13 is the correct answer. Very good. Next. Girish is there? Girish, anyone?
Anyone? Sir.
Answer for the
Answer for
second
the
one.
second one. 1 by 26. 1 by 26 I am getting, sir.
You are getting 1 divided by 26.
Yes, sir.
What is asking? 2 of spades. Number 2. 2 of spades. Probability of number 2 spade. Number 2 spade card. Nana, how many spade cards are there? 13.
That
Out of which?
spades 1 by 30. 1 by
Yeah. 1 by 52. Number 2 card is only 1 out of the 52. We have 1, only 1, number 2 card. Number 2 spade card. Very good. Next, Rohan, third point.
Sir, 1 by 26, sir.
What is asking? How many black cards you are taking?
So 10 of a black suit. Means
Hmm.
10 spades is possible, 10 club is possible.
Okay.
So 2 by 52. 1 by
Very
26.
good. That is 2 divided by 52. It should be 1 divided by 26 is the required answer. As you said, 10 of blacks suit means 10 of black. Black suit is you will get total 2 cards. Very good. Let's try to see the next question. You have to remember that flow chart, guys. Yes. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting 2 heads, 1 head, no head. As I said, when we have 2 coins, first you can take sample space.
Sir, can I?
Ritvik, first point.
Sir, 1 by 2, sir.
First point is 1 by 2. Purvi, is it the correct answer, 1 by 2?
Yes, sir. 1 by 2 correct answer, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, second one can I tell, sir? Giri, sir.
Girish, first point is
First point
clear.
is clear. Yes, sir. Completed, sir. Second point, I also completed, sir.
Yeah, tell me second point.
3 by 4, sir.
Okay. Rohan, first point is clear.
Second one, sir. Sir.
First point, Rohan.
Sir, first one will get 1 by 4, sir.
You are getting 1 by 4. Ashish, Bharat,
Yes, sir.
point 3, point 3,
1 by 4, sir.
point 3.
No,
Third
no
point.
head, sir. No head.
Ha.
1 by 4, sir.
1 by 4. Very good.
Sir, third one 1 by 4, sir.
Sir, can I say the second one?
Okay. Yes, please. So first point, if you are observing two heads means only one possibility. Only one possibility. Probability of two heads out of the 4. This is 1 divided by 4. At least one head. Probability of at least one. At least one head. At least one head means two heads, one head possible. That is 3 divided by 4. As I said, it is correct. And probability of no head. No head means it is all tails. All tails. So 2 tails means 1 divided by 4. These are the 3 points he asked. Very good. Even we are perfect in this concept also. I'll go for the next problem. Hope we will be clear in this topic also. Let's try to complete even this question. 4 points I'm giving. Try to complete one by one. I'll ask you. And simply raise your hands. Don't reveal the answers. Next problem.
Sir, what is meant by 3 unbased, sir? Sir, what is the difference between 2 heads and at least 2 heads, sir? 3 coins means. Sir?
Yes, Nana, I'll come to you. What is that? 3 coins. 3 coins. Unbiased means that's what is meant by unbiased means the head and tail both should be there. Okay,
Sir?
that is the
Means
meaning of
no
unbiased.
partiality, sir.
Yeah. So
Sir, what's the difference between 2 heads and at least 2 heads, sir? 3 coins means.
at least the 2 heads means 3 heads are also included. Minimum 2, maximum 3 possibilities. 2 heads means exactly 2. So we can have the sample space first, guys. You can write the all 8 combinations. Then only you can understand. Hope my point is clear. So we can have all the 8 combinations. All heads. Head, T, H, T, H, T, H, H. Next, one tail, 2 tails, one head. T, H, T, 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 H, all T. Yeah, so these are the combinations, guys. Nana, yeah, so hope somebody Vikram, I think you have completed all heads. Girish,
Sir, once can you explain first one, sir? I could not understand this question.
Nana, all heads means 1 by 8.
Sir, can I
Okay,
tell
sir.
you?
Only one only there, no, sir. All heads.
Hmm. Only one possibility. Second point to Vikram.
Sir, 1/8 only, sir. Second one also. No,
Yes,
sir.
you got 4 divided by 8. Because two heads, if I'm observing, probability of two heads,
Yes, sir. 4
Sir,
by
can
8.
I skip?
two heads, 1, 2, 3. Probability of getting two heads. How many possibilities you are getting? Yes, please. Only 3,
3
not
by
4. 3 divided by 8. Vikram, just identify where you have done mistake. Two heads, HHT, THH, HTH. And the third point,
Sir,
one
third
head,
one also 3 by 8, sir.
3 by 8 only. One head, yeah. So same thing, that's the downside. Probability of one head, that is
Sir,
HPT.
next one will be 1 by 2.
Okay, PTH. 3 divided by 8.
Sir, next one 1 by 2, sir.
So minimum 2 heads. Don't take equal to 2 heads. Minimum 2 heads means 2 or more than 2, you will get total 4 divided by 8 is equal to 1 by 2 is the required answer. If you want, I'll write here. Minimum 2 means I can take T part, HHT. Even all heads are also included because 3 heads are there, guys, here. 3 heads or 2 heads. Minimum, at least means minimum. Minimum 2, even more than 2 are also included. More than 2 means maximum I can take 3 heads only because we can have only 3 coins. So we can have only 3 coins, right? Yeah, that's it for today, guys. We'll continue in the next class, and tomorrow I'll try to send the questions from trigonometry and applications of trigonometry. The worksheets on trigonometry and
Okay, sir.
applications of trigonometry.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Good night, guys.
Bye. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.